Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make your own fondant at home. Without wasting much time, let's commence with the video. I will start by adding 8 tablespoons of water into my bowl. Followed by 1 leveled tablespoon of gelatin. Mix together and cover to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. I will be using 4 times 250 grams of icing sugar, which makes it 1 kilogram. Let us now sieve our icing sugar. I will be using 1 tablespoon of Tylose powder. Mix everything very well. Here is our gelatin mixture after resting for 10 minutes. I will add in 7 tablespoons of glucose syrup. Here is my glucose syrup. Boil some water in a pot. Turn it off as soon as it has reached its boiling point and place your bowl with the mixture into the pot so that it can melt. You can see that the mixture is fully melted. Don't forget to stir every once in a while. I will scoop out some icing sugar that I will use to dust my working area. Make a hole in the middle and start pouring in the mixture little by little. Start mixing with your clean hand. Sprinkle some icing sugar on your working area and drop the fondant on it. Knead the fondant to soften it. You can see that the measurements that I used are perfect for this fondant. If you notice that your fondant is too soft, feel free to add more icing sugar to it. And if you notice that it is too hard, feel free to add a little bit of warm water to soften it. I am still using the icing sugar that I scooped out before. At this point, I would like to tell you about the roles of glucose syrup, gelatin, and Tylose powder in fondant. Glucose syrup helps fondant to be soft, and it serves as a sweetener, thickener, and moisture retaining agent. While gelatin helps fondant to be elastic, and Tylose powder is a hardening agent. You can see that our fondant is ready to be used. Since I'll be using the fondant tomorrow, I will go ahead and color it. This is the red food coloring that I will be using. I will add some food coloring to get to my desired color. This is the exact color that I wanted. Wrap it very well and store in an airtight container. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.